dry skin can be a challenge. It can make achieving that coveted dewy makeup look feel impossible. But don't worry, with the right skincare and makeup routine, you can attain a radiant, hydrated complexion. This essay will guide you through the essential steps and techniques to achieve dewy makeup magic for dry skin. The key to dewy makeup is hydration. It starts with a consistent and nourishing skincare routine. We'll delve into the importance of gentle cleansing, hydrating serums, and rich moisturizers. These steps are crucial for restoring and maintaining your skin's moisture balance. Remember, makeup enhances your natural beauty. It shouldn't mask it. By prioritizing skin hydration, you'll create the perfect canvas for a dewy, glowing makeup look. Let's unlock the secrets to dewy skin and embrace a world of radiant possibilities. Hydration is the cornerstone of a dewy makeup look, especially for dry skin. Understanding your skin type and its specific needs is crucial for selecting the right products. Dry skin craves moisture. It needs products that replenish and lock in hydration. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and ceramides. These ingredients attract and retain moisture, leaving your skin feeling supple and hydrated. A consistent skincare routine is essential. Start with a gentle cleanser that doesn't strip your skin of its natural oils. Follow with a hydrating serum and a rich moisturizer to seal in the moisture. Remember, proper hydration is an ongoing journey, not a one-time fix. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine, and you'll be rewarded with a healthy, radiant complexion. The first step to dewy skin is gentle cleansing. Harsh cleansers can strip away natural oils, leaving your skin feeling dry and tight. This is especially detrimental for dry skin types. Opt for a creamy, hydrating cleanser that effectively removes impurities without compromising your skin's moisture barrier. Look for cleansers formulated with soothing ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile. When cleansing, use lukewarm water. Avoid using hot water, as it can dehydrate your skin. Massage the cleanser gently onto your face in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Remember, cleansing should leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated, not stripped or tight. A gentle touch goes a long way in maintaining a healthy and balanced complexion. After cleansing, it's time to replenish your skin's moisture levels with hydrating serums and moisturizers. Serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing products that deliver a concentrated dose of active ingredients. Look for serums containing hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it a hydration powerhouse. Follow your serum with a rich, nourishing moisturizer to seal in the hydration and create a protective barrier against moisture loss. Creams and lotions formulated with ceramides, shea butter, or jojoba oil are excellent choices for dry skin. Remember to apply your serum and moisturizer to damp skin. This helps to lock in the moisture and enhance absorption. Section 5. Prepping for perfection, priming dry skin. Priming your skin is, well, an essential step in achieving a flawless, long-lasting makeup application, especially for dry skin. Without a good primer, makeup can look patchy and uneven, and it may not last as long as you'd like. A primer creates a smooth canvas for your makeup, helping it to glide on evenly and prevent it from settling into fine lines or dry patches. This is particularly important for dry skin, which can often have more texture and rough areas. For dry skin, choose a hydrating primer that will add an extra boost of moisture to your skin. Hydrating primers are designed to infuse your skin with moisture, making it look plump and healthy. Look for primers formulated with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or squalane. These ingredients are known for their hydrating properties and can help to lock in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated throughout the day. Apply a small amount of primer to your entire face after your moisturizer has fully absorbed. This ensures that your skin is well prepared and that the primer can work effectively. Focus on areas that tend to be drier, such as your cheeks and around your nose. These areas often need extra attention to ensure that your makeup applies smoothly and looks even. Use your fingertips to gently massage the primer into your skin. the warmth of your fingers can help the primer to absorb better, ensuring that it creates a smooth and even base. A hydrating primer will not only create a smooth base for your makeup, but also provide an extra layer of hydration to keep your skin feeling comfortable and moisturized throughout the day. This added hydration can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your makeup, giving you a radiant and healthy complexion. Section 6. Foundation Finesse. Achieving a luminous canvas. Choosing the right foundation is crucial for achieving a dewy makeup look on dry skin. The foundation you select can make or break your entire makeup routine. Opt for a hydrating foundation formula that won't exacerbate dryness or cling to dry patches. These formulas often contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin, which help to lock in moisture. Look for foundations that are specifically designed for dry or mature skin. These products are formulated to provide extra hydration and a smoother finish. These formulas tend to be more moisturizing and provide a luminous finish. They help to create a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. Avoid matte foundations as they can make dry skin look even drier. Matte formulas often absorb oil and moisture, which can leave your skin looking flat and lifeless. When applying foundation, use a damp makeup sponge or a brush designed for liquid foundation. This helps to blend the product seamlessly into your skin. Apply the foundation evenly to your entire face, blending it outwards from the center of your face. This technique ensures a more natural and even coverage. Remember, less is more when it comes to foundation. Using too much product can lead to a cakey appearance. Start with a small amount and build up coverage gradually as needed. This allows you to control the finish and avoid over-application. This will help you achieve a natural, dewy finish without looking cakey. A well-applied foundation can enhance your natural beauty and give you a radiant glow. Section 7. Enhancing the glow makeup for a dewy finish. Once you've created a flawless base with foundation, it's time to enhance your natural glow with makeup. Start by choosing a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly and has a hydrating formula. This will ensure that your skin looks fresh and dewy from the get-go. The key to dewy makeup is to use products that add a touch of luminosity without emphasizing dry patches. Opt for liquid or cream-based products as they blend more seamlessly into the skin, giving you that coveted glow. Cream blushes and highlighters are excellent choices for dry skin because they blend seamlessly and create a natural-looking radiance. They also add a healthy flush to your cheeks and a subtle shimmer to your high points. Apply a cream blush to your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. This technique not only lifts your face but also gives a youthful, rosy glow. For a subtle glow, apply a cream highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This will catch the light beautifully and make your skin look naturally radiant. Avoid using powder highlighters, as they can cling to dry patches and accentuate imperfections. Instead, stick to cream or liquid formulas for a smoother finish. Remember to set your makeup with a hydrating setting spray to lock in your dewy finish and keep your skin feeling refreshed throughout the day. This final step ensures that your makeup stays in place and maintains its luminous glow. Section 8. The finishing touch. Setting your look for lasting radiance. Setting your makeup is essential for long-lasting wear, especially when aiming for a dewy finish that lasts. However, traditional powders can sometimes dull the desired radiance. Instead of heavy powders, opt for a setting spray with hydrating properties. These sprays not only lock your makeup in place, but also provide a refreshing boost of moisture. Hold the setting spray at arm's length and mist it evenly over your face. Allow it to dry completely before heading out. This final step ensures your dewy makeup stays flawless, keeping your skin looking radiant and hydrated throughout the day. Section 9. Dewy and Divine. Embracing your skin's natural beauty. Achieving a dewy makeup look for dry skin is an attainable goal with the right approach. Remember, it all starts with proper skincare. Hydration is key, and a consistent routine with hydrating products will be your best friend. Embrace gentle cleansing, nourishing serums and rich moisturizers to create the perfect canvas for your makeup. When choosing makeup, opt for hydrating formulas and cream products that enhance your natural glow without emphasizing dry patches. Most importantly, remember that true beauty lies in embracing your skin's unique qualities. Dewy makeup is about enhancing your natural radiance, not masking it. So go ahead and shine.